Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. And I want to know your thoughts down below. What price do you think Cardano will be by the end of 2021? With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we start off by taking a look at the market has had a very interesting 24 hours. Bitcoin back above $12,000, Ethereum up to $480, which is very good to see. Chainlink at $15.87. But if we look at Cardano has gone back up to 12 cents, which is a good thing to see after the dip we did have. If we take a look at its price, it is at 12 cents. It is up 5% over the last 24 hours. It is up 5% over the last 7 days. And it is down 10% over the last 30 days. But what we have got to remember is a majority of the market did have a correction. So again, it is showing very good signs of bouncing back in my opinion. This is what it looks like on the 7-day. Again, it does look very attractive. It does show signs of recovery. 30-day, again, as you can see here, there was the bottom and we are having a sign of recovery, which is a very good thing to see. But on the 90-day, again, it does still look attractive. And on the 12-month, again, what do you want to see? It is very, very attractive in my opinion. Now, the first article I want to show you to do with Cardano, and in my opinion, it is pretty big news. And this article says a new Cardano-based project is handling oracles a lot differently than Chainlink. Will Cardano rely on its oracles or integrate Chainlinks? Cardano ADA is getting into data oracles ahead of the Goguen era that will add smart contract functionality, taking a different approach than Chainlink. The first oracles are being built in partnership with Emergo, one of the companies in Cardano's ecosystem, and Ergo. The first of 2 oracles are deployed on Ergo and provide price feeds for the 2 trading pairs ADA/USD and ERG/USD. The new model introduces oracle pools which are capable of incentivizing good and decentivizing bad behavior. Ergo's core developer Alexandra told Cointelegraph that the idea involves major players in the DeFi ecosystem donating funds to the oracle pools that they find useful. Then the data providers get compensated with funds from the pool. The model also envisions data providers staking funds as collateral. If a data provider feeds low quality data, his stake can get slashed. Unlike Chainlink, which introduced a link token as gas-like payment mechanism, the new model is cryptocurrency agnostic. Rumours started when Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson tweeted about talking to Chainlink's co-founder Sergey Nazarov. Some were expecting an announcement to be made soon about Cardano's integration with Chainlink's oracles. However, thus far, these rumours have not been made to be true. Likely, Cardano is in no hurry as there is little use in oracles before the Goguen era. At the same time, it allows it time to test oracle infrastructure developed in-house. Now, in my opinion, this is pretty interesting because it does look like Cardano want to do their own journey rather than teaming up with Chainlink, which is fair enough. Will it work out in the near future? There is only one way to find out. We are in very early stages of cryptocurrency, so the amount of growth you are going to be seeing from the start of this year until the end of 2023 is going to be absolutely massive. Cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is going to have a ridiculously big part of the future, and I think one of them could be Cardano. This is the next article I want to show you, and it says Cardano's stablecoin will be better than Maker DAO, says Hoskinson. The founder of Cardano ADA blockchain, Charles Hoskinson, confesses that he has become very obsessed with DeFi lately. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson hinted that there are many DeFi things going on right now at IOHK. He revealed that IOHK partnered with Emergo to launch an algorithmic stablecoin that will be significantly better than Maker DAO. The company plans to officially announce its DeFi efforts a little bit later. And it says down here, IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson revealed details of the company's plans to move into Ethereum's decentralized finance DeFi space in a YouTube video yesterday. During an Ask Me Anything session, Hoskinson said that he has become very obsessed with DeFi lately, which resulted in hundreds of pages of reports, lots of interviews and discussions. He added that IOHK is also reaching some most popular DeFi things, and some of it already starting to leak out, despite the company's best efforts to keep it under wraps for now. So it does look like Cardano could be headed in the direction of DeFi, which is very, very interesting in my opinion. I want to know your guys' opinions of this down below. It is very, very interesting to me, but I'm interested to see what you guys have to say about this. It's now time to have a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Cardano, and it says Cardano ADA plunged to the 10 cent and 11 cent mark support zone on August 25th, which is a negative sign. The moving averages have completed a bearish crossover and RSI is in a negative territory, suggesting advantage to the bears. Currently, the bulls are attempting to defend the support zone aggressively. However, any recovery is likely to face resistance from the 20-day EMA 12 cent 0.9. If the ADA/USD pair turns down from the 20-day EMA, the bears will attempt to sink the price below 10 cent. If they succeed, it will be a huge negative as the next support on the downside is way lower at 7.5 cents. This negative view will be invalidated if the bulls can push the price back above the 20-day EMA and overhead resistance at 13 cents. And if I bring you over here and we show you Cardano's price, it is at 12.3 cents, which is a good thing to see. If we show you on the 30-day, it does look like it is having that bounce back, which is what we need to see. The bulls do look like they are winning at the moment, which is a good thing to see. But again, this is all short term. In the long term, I do think it will surpass all of this all-time high that we have seen previously, and I generally think these little dips of 20%, 10%, etc., I think they are going to happen throughout the whole of cryptocurrency until we have a big dip at 60% or higher. Now, this is the last article I want to show you before we look at historical snapshots to do with coin market cap, just to show some of you that aren't familiar with the cryptocurrency market of what it has done. I'm going to be showing you some of the altcoin prices that exploded within a year. And this article says Charles Hoskinson IOHK submitted a decentralized treasury proposal to the Ethereum Classic community. Would a 20% block reward reduction matter in the long run? And it says down here, Charles Hoskinson IOHK recently published 2 Ethereum Classic improvement proposals, or EPICs, meant to help the struggling chain recover after a slew of recent 51% attacks. The first introduced a checkpoint system to prevent the possibility of such attacks, and the second proposed a decentralized treasury, a seemingly devised idea within the ETC community. Following the recent attacks, a heated debate ensured conquering the project's future. Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's co-founders and supported of the ETC fork, believes that the way forward revolves around the institution of the decentralized treasury. The proposal suggests that the current method of funding has failed and it is time for a change. He said the current approach of relying on voluntarism and benefactors to support the ECT ecosystem has failed. Hoskinson's Cardano ADA and several other major cryptocurrency projects have already successfully implemented a decentralized treasury, allowing for independently funded research and development. The difficulty is that most projects institute this sort of mechanism from the beginning. In the case of ETC, there are fears that the sudden shock of such major change could lead to the decline in hash rate, putting the network at greater risk. Terry, the CEO of ETC Labs and one of the main stakeholders in the ecosystem, said in the email to Cointelegraph that he disagreed that the current system has failed. A treasury that will be a true sign of a failure for ETC. You can't build a decentralized public blockchain with a money tree that benefits few. ETC Labs, the Coop and other members of the community will do everything necessary to secure the network, he said. Now, it does look like ETC are in big trouble at the minute, but Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is trying to help them where he can because he does believe in the project, which is very interesting to see. But they are not choosing to listen to him because they think it will be a very bad idea, but it is certainly interesting in my opinion. I want to know your guys' opinions of this down below because I'm interested to see what you guys think of this situation also. So we're now going to take a quick look at historic CoinMarketCap data just to show some of you that aren't familiar with how cryptocurrency market can work. I'm going to show you exactly how the last bull run pretty much played out with some of the prices of some of the altcoins. Now, I want you to take note of some of these cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin 1,000, Ethereum $8.17, XRP not even a cent, Litecoin $4, Dash $11. You guys get the idea of what these prices were. Just keep note of them, and then exactly 12 months later, on January the 7th, if we take a look at the prices, bear in mind Bitcoin had already gone to 20,000 at this point, but if we look at XRP, it is at $3.38. It ended up going to $3.92. Ethereum 1,153, which ended up going to 1,400. So again, Cardano came out of the blue and ended up going very, very high as well. So Litecoin as well with $288. So you guys get the idea. The amount of potential in cryptocurrency is very, very high, and if we have any similarity to what happened in 2017, then we are going to see big things happen. And so far we are on course to seeing that again, which I am very excited about. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything I've got for you today. If you've enjoyed anything I've brought to you, do not forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more, as it really helps my channel grow. I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.